Hey neighbors, how you doing? It's Miss C and it's mukbang time. Hey, it's mukbang time. It's mukbang time. Hey, it's mukbang time. I got breakfast. Oh yes, I said breakfast. Oh yes, I said breakfast. Because it's good any time of the day or night. It's mukbang time. Let's eat, neighbor. I got me these songs be killing me, okay? It be too funny. Okay, I have 2 croissant breakfast sandwiches, okay? Your girl love her some croissants, okay? You could think you could have thought I was raised up in France or something, okay? Oui, parlez-vous français, okay? So, we finna laissez bon ton roulette up on these Frenchies. Anyway, y'all, it's hot, okay? It's hotter than fish grease. I might have fried something. Anyway, I said, let me bring my neighbors a little video because I know you enjoyed that challenge on last night. Oh, look how golden and crispy it is. Ooh. Oh, look at the melted cheese. Oh, that's the meat, but the cheese is melted too. Okay, let's eat. Oh, sorry, neighbor. Gonna take you a bite. Ew. I know you like that French bread. Whew. Y'all, it's hot. Then when you record, you gotta turn the air conditioning off and the ceiling fan. It's hot outside. Whew. It's hot. You just gonna come off the sandwich like that, huh? Okay. I'm gonna show you what happens to bad food. There you go. So how's your day today? Good. Now, if you said something bad, okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry to hear that. I hope and pray that things get better for you in the name of Jesus. And I mean that, I'm not playing. You don't play with the Lord's name. Do y'all hear that? I don't know if the camera is picking it up, baby, but it's bread. It's crispy. It's crispy. The inside is nice and flaky and buttery like a croissant's supposed to be, and the outside is golden brown like me. Oh, okay. And that cheese, that bacon, that old processed ham. It's tasting mighty nice. I was gonna get some good old OJ this morning for you, but lately I've had too much sugar. Because last night I had the baked potato, mac and cheese, sweet potato pie. So I was like, I'ma just stick to my good old water. I got my computer worked on. Oh, excuse me. How you gonna laugh and burp at the same time? That was not cute. But I got my computer worked on, y'all. We might be doing some lives next week. Yeah. See? Everything. Everything you eat, there's a sign. Food is just good. Okay, if it was nasty, nobody eat it. Unless you were starving, of course. But I mean, people eat and people overeat because something is good. If all the food in the world was nasty, everybody might be skinny. I don't know. Depending on their genes, they structure, okay? But a lot more people would be skinny if all the food in the world was nasty because you wouldn't want to eat it. But when something hits the spot, it makes you want to drop. That sun got me acting silly today. It's hot, okay? I got my dress hiked up on my legs like your grandma used to do on the front porch when she used to comb your hair. That whole house dress get hot up under there. So she go outside to catch a little breeze. She raised that old skirt up. Girl, come sit down here so I can comb your hair. Yes, ma'am. That might not resonate with any of y'all because times have changed, okay? Grandmas is in the club getting they swerve on. They cougared up, okay? They robbing the cradle. They trying to get some bills back. That's funny. Not all grandmas is in the club now. I know. Some are still in the house baking cookies and cakes and pies, meatloaf, pot roast, all kind of deliciousness. Homemade biscuits. Oh Lord, ain't nothing like a homemade biscuit. My Aunt Pookie used to make homemade biscuits when we go down there to visit her. I ate so many of them biscuits. I almost looked like a biscuit. I almost turned into a biscuit. They're so big and flaky. Then she had the nerve, the audacity, okay? To have a full-on breakfast with the biscuit. I would have been happy with just the biscuit, but no. She had butter. She had molasses. She had syrup. She had jelly. Then she had bacon, sausage, ham, grits, eggs, hash browns. No, not hash browns. They didn't have hash browns back then. Fried potatoes. I was like, this must be the meal for the whole day. I wasn't used to this must be the meal for the whole day. But it wasn't. Because after breakfast, I can't even talk right. Got crumbs all on my mouth. You know I love you, right? Because I got crumbs all on my mouth. I'm just talking. And after breakfast, she was already cooking dinner or lunch, one of them, but she was cooking something else. And so the kitchen smelled extra good. It smelled like breakfast, lunch, and dinner up in there. I was like, I was like, hey, I love you, but I couldn't stay here. Y'all wouldn't be able to get me out the house. She said, oh, yes, I would. With this old broom here, I'll get you out this house. Yes, I know you want to bite it. I know. Cause it's good. And that old bacon was hanging off of there. I know a lot of people say bacon is bad, but bacon is really the only kind of pork I eat as of right now. I haven't had a good pork chop in them. Let's just say so long enough to where I can't remember. I can't remember. I ain't even try to think about it. I don't know. But it's been a long time. But bacon make everything taste good. I put it on everything. I will be doing more challenges. Now look, I'm letting you know off top. I do not do crazy challenges, okay? I don't do hot stuff. Y'all know that already. I told y'all 50 million times. Because y'all not finna have me burning, curled up in a ball crying somewhere because I'm in pain. Ain't finna do it. Not me. Not Missy. I don't eat crazy, crazy combinations of stuff that might make me sick. Because I don't got time for it. I don't got time to be going to the doctor. Okay? So, I won't be doing that. But if it's another fun challenge and it look interesting, I'm going to start doing more challenges. Just not everything everybody else is doing. The Yummy Bites challenge was fun because I wanted to test my own self to see if I could really eat without making any noise or saying that word, but seems like it's impossible because I was saying while eating the food, before eating the food, thinking about the food. It was bad, y'all. But it was fun. Thank goodness I'm not that competitive, because if I was, I would have been mad, because I lost big time. I like the fried part of the egg, but sometimes it be too hard on the end. Okay. Well, all right, neighbor. That was breakfast, brunch, lunch, dinner, snack, whatever. Whenever you watching this and you eating with me, that's what it is, okay? Because you know breakfast can be eaten any time of the day. Let me get a little water so we can sing our song together. I mean, whoo, Lord, y'all know water good. If you ain't drinking your water, you better drink your water. It's summertime, okay? The sun is out. It ain't saying peekaboo no more. It's here. You gonna shrivel up like a prune. You better drink you some water. Stop playing before you pass out. You supposed to be making other people pass out, okay? Because you fine as wine and it's the summertime, okay? You ain't supposed to be passing out because you dehydrated. But y'all, your girl gonna get back to her little hair and her makeup soon. But it's just hot. It's so hot outside. You could think about going outside and you just start sweating. Now, to all of you who stay in colder climates, you don't gotta worry about this, okay? You don't gotta worry about it being hot, but it's hot in Texas. If you want to move to somewhere where it's hot, where you can put up all your winter clothes, your winter blankets, your winter everything, come down to Texas. We'll show you what some heat is. We will show you what some heat is. You'll be walking outside in your bra and panties. Okay, that's called a bikini. But anyway, you'll just be half naked. If you always want to live a happy, free, what they call it, nudist life, okay? This down south is where it's at, okay? Because it's hot, so you don't want no clothes on anyway. But you have to, because you might go to jail for indecent exposure. Okay, let me let y'all go. Y'all know I love y'all, but I gotta go because your girl got things to do. I have a collab coming up, so be watching out. Okay? And I'm excited because I love eating with everybody. But thank you for joining me, Missy, in the place to be. Hey, and where that is right here on Missy's Corner. No, Missy. See, I was in the groove too. I was grooving, okay? On Missy's Mukbangs. Hey, on Missy's Mukbangs, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I say like, comment, share the video, and subscribe down below. Then once that red button turn gray, hit that little black bell, and them parentheses gonna be around it. And whenever I put up a delicious mukbang time, ASMR, taste test time, car bang time, any good time with Missy, you'll get it, okay? And yes, I laugh a lot, I smile a lot. That's just a part of my personality. So if you're ever feeling sad or you're ever feeling down, if you keep coming around, I'll turn that frown into a smile. Dang, it really didn't rhyme how I wanted, but it is what it is. Love you, neighbor. Bye.